Hello and welcome. In this video, I will explain what Microsoft Excel is, why it is so important, and how people use it in real life. If you are a student, a working professional, or someone who wants to improve computer skills, Excel is one of the best tools you can learn. Let's start from the basics. Microsoft Excel is a software program created by Microsoft. It is mainly used to store data, organize information, and perform calculations. Think of Excel as a very smart notebook. But instead of writing on paper, you work in a digital sheet where Excel can calculate, sort, and analyze data for you. When you open Excel, you see something called a workbook. A workbook is like a file. Inside a workbook, there are worksheets. You can think of worksheets as pages inside a notebook. Each worksheet is made of rows and columns. Rows go from top to bottom and are numbered. Columns go from left to right and are labeled with letters. Where a row and a column meet, that small box is called a cell. Cells are the heart of Excel. In a cell, you can type text, numbers, dates, or formulas. For example, you can write names, prices, marks, salaries, or attendance data. Now here is what makes Excel powerful. Excel is not just for typing data. It can think and calculate. If you add numbers in Excel, it can automatically calculate totals. If you change one number, the result updates instantly. This saves a lot of time and avoids mistakes. People use Excel in many fields. Students use Excel to manage study schedules, marks, and projects. Office employees use Excel for reports, billing, and daily work. Accountants use Excel for financial calculations. Business owners use Excel to track sales and expenses. Data analysts use Excel to study data and find patterns. Even small shops and freelancers use Excel to keep records. Another important feature of Excel is formulas. Formulas are simple instructions you give to Excel. For example, you can tell Excel to add numbers, find averages, or count values. You don't need to be good at math. Excel does the hard work for you. Excel also helps you create charts and graphs. With just a few clicks, your numbers can turn into visual charts. Charts make data easy to understand and easy to explain to others. Excel also has tools for filtering and sorting data. This means you can quickly find what you need, even if you have thousands of rows of data. So why should you learn Excel? Because Excel saves time. It improves accuracy. It increases productivity. And most importantly, it improves your job and career opportunities. Excel is one of the most in-demand skills in the world. The good news is, you do not need any special background to learn Excel. If you know basic computer usage, you can learn Excel step by step. In this channel, I will teach Excel from zero level to advanced level. We will learn everything slowly, clearly, and with real examples. So if you are new to Excel, don't worry at all. This is just the beginning. In the next videos, we will explore the Excel screen, rows, columns, and basic operations. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn Excel in a simple and practical way, stay connected with this channel. Let's learn and grow together.